Hey guys, it is the part 3 in one day.
And then we're going to do part 4, part 5,
part 6, part 7, part 8, part 9, part 10.
Until we get all the way to 100.
And dab it up. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. So without further ado, should we do it?
Yes.
Boom. Let's do it. First pack. Look. Oh, Casemiro. Oh my gosh. Look, come like lie down like this. Baby, we've been right hands to get money down. Oh my gosh, that. Yo, I need a 90, 91, 92. I'm done. Or 80s. 80 like 85, 84 and up is decent to me. So it's good.
Even if he has
Come on. Oh my gosh.
Even if he has a bad video, subscribe.
Yes, still subscribe if I have a bad video.
Cause
Come on. Oh, Oscar.
if he doesn't, that's gonna be good.
You know what's embarrassing if we don't get any 90s? We got 2 90s, like we got 2 90s.
We got 3
90 something. Yeah, 390 something. But 2 90s today in the other parts.
Yeah, cause look.
Come on. Pogba! Oh my god.
There's Ronaldo,
I want Pogba.
Messi, and Neymar.
But we got Neymar and Ronaldo. Ronaldo was first.
No, I think.
I'm done if we get.
Oh, yeah,
You know what? I'm done if we get a Suarez. I'm done.
we're out of here.
Yeah, we're out of here. No, we're done. Like, we're finished this game.
Yeah, I'm gonna just this video.
We got the 4 best players. Forget it. Gotta get it.
When you guys subscribe to this video, I just want you guys to subscribe.
Yo, I just wanna rolly with a dab ranch. Okay, nothing good. Nothing good.
Got
Oh my gosh, please. Please be something cool. I swear if it was another Giroud, I'm done with those Girouds. Like, I got Giroud like 4 times or 3 times.
Suarez can pop up.
Yeah, Suarez, exactly. I need that guy.
Yeah, so we can get out of here.
So we can what?
Get out of here.
I need him. So come back in. Benzema.
Maybe Suarez after this guy. After some.
Yo. I know you want this. Oh, Benzema. We got a Benzema, but on the other pack. Are you tired?
Yes.
Come on. Oh my god. Everything's difficult. Help me.
That's why I got very tough.
Yo, Javinko! This is our player. Javinko. I love this guy.
You know why I'm coughing every night?
Let's go Toronto. Please.
Please.
David Villa. Oh, was that guy Iraqi, bro? If it was Iraqi.
That would be unbelievable.
I know, right? I would like actually totally punch this. I'm done if we get a Messi or
I wish I could go like.
we already got them, but
I wish my soccer game could be today. Like my soccer game's not today.
it's okay.
I need.
Bazagli.
You need to cheer for.
Bazagli.
You need to cheer for me, Ronaldo, or Jacob.
Let's see. Oh, we got Bazagli.
You need to cheer for me, Ronaldo, or Jacob.
You. Or Ronaldo. Or Jacob. I don't know.
Me, Ronaldo.
Look at this pack. Oh my gosh, no.
Maybe
Don't look
me,
at it.
Ronaldo, and Jacob are today.
Dennis Suarez. I meant that pack was beautiful. We got a Suarez though.
Right now?
Yeah, we got a Dennis Suarez. That's a Suarez. Oh my gosh. We need a Barcelona Uruguay Suarez. Luis Suarez.
No, we need a Neymar and a Barcelona.
We got a Neymar Barcelona, boy.
And Suarez.
No, we didn't. We got Dennis Suarez, not Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez is the best one. Luis Suarez is like the better one than Dennis Suarez. Dennis Suarez is good. Yo, just stop talking about better, whatever, because I'm going to be... Wait, who's a good central attacking midfielder? Insigne. Not bad. I'm just going through the next. Ringo. Shush! You want another fidget spinner? Wait. Here you go.
Have two. Are you kidding me? It's for me?
No, you can play with it, but you cannot have it ever again. Yo, no 90s in our way yet! Yes, Lewandowski! I just said no 90s in our way yet. That's our 90. Lewandowski, let's go! Oh my gosh, we got 1, 2, 3, 6 goals. Oh my gosh, that was a good pack. Yo, imagine we got a Messi in that. No. Imagine we got a continue. That would be sick. I would actually glitch out.
It is so sick. These both fidget spinners are so sick. You're lucky, Nathan.
I'm not looking.
You're really lucky. Because you got a gold
I'm not
one.
looking.
I got a bad
Okay, I'm
gold
opening
one.
my eyes. Oh, it's bad.
I got a bad gold.
Every single time when I close my eyes, it's bad. Like this pack right now. We got a Lewandowski. When I said the packs are terrible, like you have to be.
I'll golden one.
I pushed it with my foot.
But it's bad.
Oh my god. I hate these packs. They're so bad.
I hate myself.
Don't say that. Come on. Sturridge. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god.
Jeez.
When I do this to my fidget spinner, it sticks.
Just. Yo, if you break that, I'm tired of this dude. 64 pace. I'm tired of that. Dab. But
I don't want it.
yeah, we get it, Alexis Sanchez. What would your mom need you? Anyways, come on. There's 2 fidget spinners in my hand. Neuer. I want a Neuer right now. I want a Neuer. Julius is gone. Okay. I want a good player. Why can't I get a good player? Oh my gosh. No, it's too loud. Okay. So, yeah. I need a good player. If it says new and it's like a 90 or like better. I need 90. Even though I got them with every pack opening, I have to get 90 or better. This always shows me. I think it's a 2-run, but it never. Imagine this is like. They're getting informs too, but imagine there's Team of the Years. Or Legends, yo. We're just doing gold packs. This is terrible for gold packs. I mean, it's okay for gold packs, but imagine like better packs, you know? I cancel. A club. packs. Bruh. Oh yeah, that's proof. That's proof I have them. That's proof. That's good proof that I have them, okay? That's good proof that I have them, okay? That's good proof that I have them, okay? That's good proof that I have them. Great proof. Look at that. Great proof. Great proof. Great proof. Great proof. Great proof that I have good players. That's good, great, dab it up. Dab it up. Dab it up proof. Bruv. Got it up, put it up, proof. Kick him out, damn, bam. I did it, put it up, damn. Yeah. We don't, with having the same pack. I don't really care. Open packs. Okay, yo. That was unbelievable. That's my proof. That's my proof. That's my proof. That's my proof. I am fish spinning now. That's my proof. All I wanna have is a good player. Messi, Ronaldo, and Neymar extra. Hey, 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 hey. My name is Hammers. Hands on my head. Hey. He sucks. I'm the one. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go. Open packs. My squad builder. Squad builder. Striker. Any position. Search. She's good. I'm gonna build a squad. Okay, guys, that's all for today. So, hope you enjoyed it. Later. Bye. Banana Bear out.